In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook account. For some reason, you want to deactivate your Facebook account, maybe temporarily or permanent. In this episode, I'm going to show you quick steps on how to get it done. On your Facebook interface, proceed to click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then scroll down till you locate settings and privacy and click there. Then proceed to select settings. Then in here, you have to click on account center. On this interface, scroll down a bit and click on personal details. As you can see, under personal details, you have your contact info, your date of birth, and your identity confirmation. And in my case, we are interested in account ownership and control. As you can see, under account ownership and control, we have the memorialization and the deactivation or deletion. In our case, we are interested in the deactivation, so we'll proceed to click here. Then we have to select the specific account that we want to deactivate. In my case, I want to select Mubarick Mohammed. So you can either make sure the deactivate account is toggled on or the delete account is toggled on. Since we are interested in deactivating the account, we'll proceed to maintain this and proceed to click on continue. So Facebook has given us the list of all the additional accounts that I will likely to be deactivating. So these are the various pages under the account that I want to deactivate, and they have listed it that pages and additional Facebook profile that will be deactivated, and all this fall under that account name. So if I want to proceed to deactivate it, I can proceed to click on the continue. Then for security, you have to enter the password and re-enter it again to confirm your deactivation. In my case, I'm not interested to deactivate it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, consider hitting the like button, share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.